students. Welcome back to social studies. Is what all we studied at previous class. We studied about we studied about introduction to the rainy season and autumn, right? Now we'll see introduction to the winter season. Yes, which we'll see now. We can see introduction to the winter season. Yes, everybody knows winter season. Everybody love the winter season, right? Yes, now we'll see it is now winter. Yes, obviously. Which month is now? Yes, now is November. From next month onwards, the winter season will be start. Yes. Where I live, the winter season is in the month of which month? Yes, December and January. Right? Yes, the winter season is start in the month of December and January. Yes, right? Yes. What all we can see on the month of on the season of winter? Yes, we can see the coldest weather during the winter season, right? What we can see the coldest weather, as well as one more thing we can be noticed on that winter season, especially from next month. Day will be very short and night will be very long, because the winter season, on which season it will be causes day will be very short and night will be very long. Yes, only at the winter season. Okay, we need to wear a warm clothes on that time, because it will be very cold. We'll say, mama, today is too cold, I can't wake up early, like that, right? Yes, so what should we should wear on the time? We should wear woolen cloths, and we should be very warm, right? Yes, and what we like to wear on that weather? Yes, we always like to wear sweaters. Especially, we like to wear sweaters. See, which clothes which clothes we usually wear on winter season? Sweaters, coats, and few hats, shoes, socks, gloves, each and everything we like to wear in the season of winter. Okay, and we take hot drinks like a warm milk, tea, coffee, etc. to keep ourselves warm. Yes, especially what all we like to take on that warm we on that winter season. What all we like to take? Yes, we like to take hot drinks like milk, a warm milk, and tea, a coffee, right, etc. Why we have to take that? Because we have to take that to keep ourselves warm. Okay, yes, those all will consider as winter. Next we'll see, look at these pictures above and relate it to the winter season, and with the help of the picture and ends fill in the blanks. Yes, see, these dogs are called what what is this is it is nothing but it will be a larger a furry dog, because of why this is a snow area. Especially this is a snow area. See, one, two, three, the dog will be in a chain. It was converted like one dog to another. It will tie the chain again, another dog to another, because of why? Because of, yes, husky. What is husky? It is nothing but, see, can see here. Come down. Sledge dog, a larger and friendly dog which is used to pull sledge over the snow. If there is a snow, the dog individual we can't live. So what they'll do? They will like to Fundry the dog which used clutch that edges of that snow. Okay. So which is that? Yes, okay. Which is that? Okay. Okay. Next we'll see a long winter sleep is called as which we can compare to that? Yes, that long sleep, especially when the winter season, is known as bears. Everybody knows bears must eat a lot of food before that hibernates into their caves. Before they'll go to their caves, what they has to do? They has to eat nicely food. Later, what they will do? Later that they'll go and sleep for a long time at the winter season. Especially that what we'll call as yes, hibernation. What we'll call it? Hibernation. Next we'll see a game played on ice is called as what they will play what which game specially they will play in that ice. Yes, ice hockey, right? Which game they are playing? Yes, they are playing ice hockey. They are playing ice hockey. Yes, as well as when the tourist peoples will come and travel, and if they has to enjoy there, if they has to a recreational, what they will do, the business purpose, whoever they will travel, the tourism, they usually enjoy the playing ice hockey in the yes, ice illustrations. They'll play the game and they will refresh them. Okay. Yes, next we'll see. A small house made of the snow is called as, yes, everybody know this. What will they'll call? Yes, aglo, right? Yes, what will they'll call? Aglo. Okay. What is that? It is nothing but some Eskimo hut. We can see only at the hill snow area. Yes, what all we studied and what all we got through know about winter season. Yes, we got through know about winter season until now is it will start in the month of December and January, as well as it is a very coldest during the winter season we can consider as well as the day will be very short and night will be very long. So what all we have to take on the time, we should be warm. For that warm we has to wear sweaters and coats, few socks and gloves, shoes like that, right? Yes, as well as, and which fruit we can see on winter? Yes, kiwi fruit, guava and orange especially. Okay, right. And what all we can drink to keep ourselves warm? Yes, we should drink hot, like we should drink hot drinks like warm milk, a tea, a coffee and hot water, etc., to keep our body warm, to keep ourselves warm. Okay, as well as what all that winter, especially the snow and ice area, what all they'll play, or what all they can see, each and everything we got through. No, right? Yes, about page number 28 we'll see at next class. Okay, bye students, meet you up at next class.